Yeah. So, kinakailangan po natin malinis ang yung ganito para pagtanggal ng liner, so it's easy to come out nung Good morning po sa lahat. Andito naman po uli ako, Bayok TV Vlog. Ang inyong lingkod, panibagong episode po ng buhay. And samahan niyo po ako sa aming paglalakbay. Okay po. So, andito po kami ngayon sa engine na 3306. Okay. So, yes. So, natanggal na po namin ni Ali and Maji, the cylinder head. Okay. It's too heavy. As you can see po here, the cylinder head, no. What I can see here is about the liner. Yeah, that's why consuming more oil. Yung liner po niya is already worn out, no. So, kinakailangan po namin palitan ng liner, piston ring, piston. Syempre, connecting rod bearing and crankshaft bearing, ano po. So, syempre, linisin na rin po namin ng maayos to para sa ganun good for another 1, 2, 3 years, no. Yes, to help of Ali and Maji, okay, and the rest of mechanic. So we work together to overhaul this machine, no, this engine, no. So yun nga po, patuloy po kayong mag-subscribe sa channel ko, Bayok TV Vlog, and huwag po niyong kalimutan, lagi po ako may upload every week or 2 weeks. Meron po ako sa isang linggo po makaka-upload ako ng 2 or 3 video. Ang problema ko lang po, medyo mahina yung signal dito, so medyo nag-struggle ako sa pag-upload ng video, ano po. Ganon nga po, medyo laban na naman, which is Saturday today. Yes, Benjamin. Yes, anything that I need, I know you're supporting me about the parts and everything. Okay, so every time that I'm going to order the parts, you are there. Don't forget to watch my YouTube channel, and yes, I'm going to share in Facebook also. Okay, so you can click it and watch it. Okay, so Ibrahim, yes, yeah. So we help each other po in this company. Sinishare ko lang po kung ano yung meron kami. And alam niyo naman, ganito yung buhay. So, ganun nga po. So, tatanggalin na po namin yung liner para ma-check siya kung ano pa yung mga damage sila sa internal po, para maka-order po tayo ng parts. Okay po, magandang buhay. 3306 D7G. Bye-bye for now. Okay. Dito. Alright, dito. And Maji, are you good, buddy? Okay, yep, that's all for now. And siyempre, Ali, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Yeah, thank you for support and helping us. Okay.
Few moments later.
Yep. So, kinakailangan po natin malinis ang yung ganito para pagtanggal ng liner, so it's easy to come out nung piston. Okay, coming. Yeah, a little bit more. Okay. Got it. Okay.
Yeah, give me the cap and the bowl.
Yeah, just give me the cap and the bowl. Yeah. You know.
Yes.
There we go. Thank you, man. And also the bowl.
Yeah.
Yep.
I go for 5.
You go for number 5.
Yeah, metal.
Yes. Said yeah. What's that again?
Check the metal. This metal here is not good.
Which metal? Oh, okay, okay.
Check the metal well.
Yeah. Have a look if it's available in a tool room. No? Have a look. Look like that's the process come out already. Here we go for number 5. Back.
Few moments later.
Yeah. So, kinakailangan po natin malinis ang yung ganito para pagtanggal ng liner, so it's easy to come out nung piston. Okay, coming. Yeah, a little bit more. Yep. Okay. Got it. Okay.
Yeah, give me the cap and the bowl.
Yeah, just give me the cap and the bowl. Yeah. You know.
Yes.
There we go. Thank you, man. And also the bowl.
Yeah.
Yep.
I go for 5.
You go for number 5.
Yeah, metal.
Yes. Said yeah. What's that again?
Check the metal. This metal here is not good.
Which metal? Oh, okay, okay.
Check the metal well.
Yeah. Have a look if it's available in a tool room. No? Have a look. Look like that's the process come out already. Here we go for number 5. Back.
Few moments later.
Hello guys, natanggal na po namin yung yung piston ring and connecting rod. Ito po siya. So ang napaka bad po is yung yung liner niya, no? It's worn out na po talaga siya, kaya kumakain siya ng langis. And syempre, ito na po yung ha?
Check na to.
No, it's not moving anymore. I'm going to get that the puller. Just a minute, yeah. And then I give it to you. So andito na po yung mga piston and piston ring connecting rods. Ayan na po siya. So yeah, just relax, come out. Just relax for now. I know it's hard, but yeah, take a little bit time. Yes, liner na lang po yung bubunutin namin. And hopefully mabunot namin yung liner ngayon. Wala po kaming special tools. Ang gumawa lang po kami ng fabricated na tools. No? So, nasa ano po kami, nasa bus o nasa kabukiran. Yes! Ano po? Bayok TV Vlog! And also as Maji. Right, Maji? We're getting close. How are you, Ali?
Yeah.
Ali. I know.
Doon here.
Where's Ali? Yes, it's my buddy. It's Ali and Maji. Yeah, he's supporting me about overhauling this motor. Motor in English, it's in Philippines is engine. So because when I was in in Angola, he don't know the engine. They know it's a motor. Motor. Yeah. What they call that? This engine is about. They say it is a motor.
Okay,
Yes.
motor.
Oh, both. Yeah, motor. Yes. But it's both correct. Motor and engine is it's just only one, right? So yeah. So we're getting closer po. No. What we're going to do is remove the liner and see what we have inside. No.
You said
And,
connecting rod already have before.
Yeah, that one is marking before.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, that's marking before. So yeah, just a little bit. Take relax. Drink some coffee if we have, and then we're going to.
We still have a big job here because all this carbon need to clean.
Yeah, I think we have a. Hey, yes. They trying to bite me. The honey, but it's like a honeybee. It's very lucky. I take out. Yeah, that one is we have to change. We have a new piston.
How big is it?
New piston, new yeah. It's assembly. Except the connecting rod. Piston pin we have also.
Are you going to change the piston now?
Yeah, it's already there. It's on the box, no? So we have piston ring, piston pin, and I don't know the connecting rod bearing. So that's all I'm going to find out.
What about the sleeve?
Yeah, sleeve is already there.
Okay.
So I think it's we're good.
I think this piston can work. Maybe we keep them.
Which one?
The pistons.
Yeah, the pistons. I think it looks like a brand new. Yeah, we're trying to
we're
keep.
going to use this-
Otherwise, we're going to use this one.
If we're going to use it, we need to clean all the carbon.
Oh yeah, exactly.
Then we use new rings, new sleeve.
Yeah, new ring, new sleeve. If it's the bearing is available, perfect.
If you have new bearing, better. Because this bearing.
Yeah. That's all, guys, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, Bayok TV Vlog. Ano po?
Okay.
Bayok TV Vlog. Nag-overhaul po kami ng 3306 engine. So, yan, alam niyo naman, tayo is kahit saan tayo dalhin. Mapa-hydraulic, electrical, overhauling. Wala tayong problema dyan. Napaka-blessed po kasi yung Panginoon na binigyan ako ng talentadong ganito. No? Hindi ko po ini-expect na yung mga ganito. Kahit saan welding, even carpentry, no? So, napaka-blessed po ng Panginoon. Kaya po ako yung nagpapasalamat. Thumbs up po ako. Sa mga viewers ko po, huwag po kayong magsawang manood ng video and isi-share ko po sa inyo kung ano meron ang trabaho ko dito. Ano po? Okay po, bye-bye for now and God bless us. Thank you so much. Bye-bye, bye-bye.